Okay, for problem number 5, an Otto cycle using air has a following condition. At point 1, P1 equivalent to 14.5 psia, and temperature 1 is 80 degree Fahrenheit plus 460 para maging siyang 540 degree Fahrenheit. The heat added, which is yun yung QA natin, is 370 BTU per pound mass every cycle. If the maximum temperature, which is our T3, is 3,400 degree Fahrenheit and K is 1.4, compute for the pressure, temperature, and volume of each corner, the compression ratio, the mean efficiency, the thermal cycle efficiency, if CV is 0.172 BTU per pound mass Rankine. So, first is kukuha na natin yung T2 natin, yun yung pinakamadali kasi meron tayo gagamit tayo ng formula ng QA equals MCV delta T. Meron tayong value ng QA, M which is 1 lang yun pag hindi siya given yung mass natin, then CV, then yung delta T natin which is yung T3, meron. So, substitute lang na 370 BTU pound mass equivalent sa 1 multiplied by 0.172 BTU per pound mass degree Rankine multiplied by 3,400 degree Rankine minus T2. Then shift solve lang, meron na tayong value ng T2 na 1,248.837 degree Rankine. Then next is, kukuha na natin yung volume 1 natin, which is yung PV equivalent siya sa MRT, then V1 equivalent siya sa MRT1 over V1. Then substitute yung M is 1, and yung R natin is 53.35 pound force, pound mass degree Rankine na constant value. Then for 540 degree Rankine over 14.5 psia. Then input sa calculator, meron tayong 13.797 cubic feet. In getting the volume 2 naman, dito tayo sa left side, the T1 over T2 over V, equivalent sa V1 over V2 raised to K. So, substitute lang yung value ng T1, T2, then V1. So, T1 natin is 540 degree Rankine, T2 is 1,248.837 degree Rankine, then yung V1 natin na 13.797 cubic feet, tsaka yung K natin na 1.4. Then calculate sa calculator is input sa calculator, then yung V2 natin is 1.697 cubic feet. Then makukuha na rin natin yung RK. Yung RK natin is may formula na V1 over V2. Yung V1 natin na 13.797, yung V2 natin na 1.696. Input is calculator. Meron tayong value ng RK na 8.135. Then, in getting P2, gagamit tayo ng P1, V1 raised to K, equivalent sa P2, V2 raised to K. Then, cross multiplication lang, cancel the V2 para meron tayong formula na P1, ay P2 equivalent sa P1, multiply by V1 over V2 raised to K. Then, alam naman natin, V1 over V2 is RK. Then, substitute the value of P1, RK, and K. Then, P1 natin na 14.5 psia, RK na 8.135, 135, then 1.4 na K. Input sa calculator, may P2 tayo na 272.815. Then, in getting the P3, may formula tayo na P2 over T2 equivalent sa P3 over T3. Substitute the value of P2, T2, and T3. Then, shift solve lang sa calculator. May value na tayo na P3 na 742.748 psia. Next, pagkukuhanin na natin itong PM, kailangan tayo ng efficiency. First efficiency muna po lang kukuhanin natin kasi yung PM may formula tayo na work net over VD. So, wala tayong value ng work net at saka ng VD. So, first efficiency muna para makuha natin yung value ng work net. So, efficiency, meron tayong formula na 1 minus 1 over RK, K minus 1. So, substitute the K and the RK. na 8.135 na RK at 1.4 na K. Then efficiency natin is 0.567. So, pagkuha natin ng work net, may formula tayo ng work net na efficiency equals work net over QA. So, substitute the efficiency and the QA natin na nasa given. Efficiency na 0.567. Then yung QA natin na 370 BTU per pound mass. Then, should solve lang, meron tayo ng work net na 209.79 BTU per pound mass. Then sa VB naman, meron tayong formula na V1 minus V2. Yung V1 natin is 13.797 cubic feet minus 1.696 cubic feet. So VD natin is 12.101 cubic feet. So sa PM, may formula tayo na work net over VD. So 209.79 BTU per pound mass yung work net natin. Then yung VD natin is 12.101 feet. So PM natin is 17.337 BTU per pound mass cubic feet.